Hello everyone. This is my review of the Beats Studio 3 headphones. It comes in a nice case, and they fold in on themselves to make them smaller, which makes it easier to carry around. The over-the-ear pads are pretty soft, and it doesn't hurt when you pull them over the ear. It's quite comfortable, and it has padding also to the top to protect your scalp if you're bald headed like me. And you have the controls over here, pause, fast forward, and play. These beats have a crisp and clear sound, and they have noise canceling as well. So you could really be immersed in music and block out the world if you need to, want to. You can see here how well it fits over the ears on your head, and they're really good. I hope this